Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the NNN file manager. First, NNN is a highly efficient, terminal-based file manager designed for speed and minimal resource usage. To begin, you'll need to install it, typically through your operating system's package manager. Once installed, launch NNN from your terminal. You can navigate through directories using the arrow keys or the familiar H, J, K, and L keys for left, down, up, and right respectively. This simple interface makes file browsing very quick. Once you are comfortable navigating, let's explore basic file operations. To open a file or enter a directory, simply press the Enter key. For copying files, select them and press C, then navigate to the destination and press P to paste. Similarly, use M to move files. Deleting items is straightforward. Select what you wish to remove and press D. Always be careful when deleting, as this action is often irreversible. NNN offers powerful features beyond basic file management. You can quickly filter files in the current directory by simply typing a part of their name. NNN will narrow down the list in real time. For a more personalized experience, customize key bindings by editing its configuration file, allowing you to tailor shortcuts to your workflow. Furthermore, NNN integrates seamlessly with external scripts, enabling you to extend its functionality with custom actions for specific file types or tasks. To maximize your efficiency with NNN, leverage its customization options. You can set bookmarks for your most frequently visited directories, allowing for instant navigation with a single key press. Adjusting environment variables provides another layer of control, letting you fine-tune NNN's behavior to perfectly suit your preferences and workflow. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This powerful file manager, combined with smart tools, truly enhances your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.